in front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Gallery app. If you never used it before, select Continue and then decide if you wish to delete your photos from Photos or Folders section. Either way, hold one of your pictures to get rid of and tap on those three dots at the top right corner to hit Select All option at the top. Now tap on all of your photos you wish to keep, and to get rid of the rest, use Bin button at the top. Then hit Allow and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!